Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to upload and manage files on Squarespace 7.0. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add files like PDFs, images, or downloadable content to your site, making it more dynamic and helpful for your visitors. Whether you're building a portfolio, setting up a resource collection, or just want to let folks download your resume, I'll show you the steps and, just as importantly, break down what every click actually achieves. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. Once you're at your dashboard, you'll see your website listed. Go ahead and click on that website, and then click Edit. This tiny step is the gateway to customizing your content. If you haven't done this before, the Edit mode lets you work directly with your site's text, images, and layout. Everything you change here can be previewed live. Now, let's say you want someone to be able to download a PDF or doc right from your site, like a brochure or a menu. Start by selecting the text on your page that you want to turn into a file link. This could be something descriptive like Download Menu or View Portfolio Sample. Just highlight that specific text. Think of it like selecting a word in a Word document. Next, click the link icon. A link settings window pops up, asking where that text should take people when they click it. By default, it'll want a URL, but here's a key tip. You're going to switch it from URL to file. There's usually an option or a little tab to do this. Look for File right near Web Address. Choosing File tells Squarespace that when someone clicks, they'll get a file download instead of just being redirected somewhere. Now it's time to upload your file. Click the Upload button that appears. This will open up a dialog where you can select which file from your computer you want to share. Maybe it's a PDF, maybe an image, maybe a Word doc. Whatever it is, just browse and select it. Squarespace then securely uploads your file and attaches it to that link, so users can grab it with a single click. This part might take a few moments, especially if your file is large, so don't worry if you see a progress bar or a little spinning wheel. But what if you want to upload an image directly to your page instead of a text link? That's just as straightforward. Find the image block you want to update, click on the image itself, and you'll see an Edit or Replace option. Click Replace and then select Upload File. Now, pick the image from your computer and Squarespace will handle the rest, just like with documents. This process is perfect for portfolios, galleries, or anywhere you need visuals to stand out. Throughout this process, remember, you can always preview how things look and double-check that your links actually download what you want. Take your time with each upload, and if you ever notice that a file isn't downloading, make sure the File option is selected in your link settings. It's a common misstep, and that's really it. You now know how to upload and manage files and images on Squarespace 7.0, and your site is set to deliver downloadable content in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, and feel free to drop any questions or comments below. I always read them and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Squarespace how-tos and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.